We were on a motorcycle. We had just left Steve's dad's house about maybe 10 or 15 minutes prior to the accident. We got up to about 40 miles an hour, and a black SUV was at a stop sign on one of the side roads. She went to go turn left, and she T-boned us. From what I was told, I'd done somersaults in midair and landed on my face, bounced off my face, and landed again. When I kind of came to a little bit, I was trying to take my helmet off. I had realized there was a whole bunch of blood coming from my ears, so I figured, life was over for me. They airlifted us to Atlanta Medical Center. They got me into trauma immediately. They sewed half my face up right then and there because I was just losing so much blood. It ended up breaking every bone in my face, my jaw in 8 places, my eye sockets, busted my eardrums, knocked my top teeth out, knocked my bottom teeth, my bottom jaw down in the back of my throat, broke my pelvis, my right hip completely out, and my femur bone in 2 places. And like I said, my bone popped out of my leg. My face floated back and forth whenever they would rotate me, from side to side. There's many nurses in ICU that took very good care of me. Danielle, my family ended up nicknaming her Bubbles because she took the time to go home and get all kind of Bath and Body Works spray and body wash, hair bows, a brand new brush and comb, and just all kind of good little things that make me feel like a person again. Phyllis, the concierge, she's just wonderful. She never missed a beat. She made things happen when my family couldn't. I wouldn't look at myself in the mirror for months. I now have 13 metal plates in my face and wire mesh under my left eye. My pivots are still broke in my mouth, but I did manage to get me some new teeth. When I looked in the mirror that day, it was like a sigh of relief. The physical therapy and the occupational therapy, the speech therapists here are awesome. They made sure that I got up and did what I was supposed to do to not lose my chance of walking or talking or anything like that. I'm very glad that they brought me here instead of anywhere else. I try to come back as often as I can and tell everybody thank you. Thank y'all very much for saving my life. I would recommend Atlanta Medical Center to anybody and everybody that I know. It's not even just because they're #1 trauma. The people that they have here are caring and loving. I know that if this team here did not do exactly what they were supposed to do when they did it, then I wouldn't be here. I really wouldn't.